Quit India Movement. Between 1939 and 1945, the world witnessed the Second World War. In 1942, the British government sought the cooperation of Indians to fight the Axis powers. In March 1942, the government sent a commission headed by Sir Stafford Cripps in order to win over the Indian nationalists. The mission, however, failed to meet the demands of the nationalists. After the Cripps mission failed in August 1942, Mahatma Gandhi launched the Quit India movement. Immediately afterwards, Gandhi was arrested. However, younger activists such as Jayaprakash Narayan carried on the movement by organizing strikes act of sabotage which took in British government more than 1 year to suppress. In June 1944, Gandhi was released from jail. Thereafter, he observed that the Muslim League had begun expanding its influence in the Punjab and the Sindh provinces. Gandhi then held a series of meetings with Jinnah to arrive at some kind of compromise between the Congress and the Muslim League. In 1945, when the Labour Party came into power in Britain, Viceroy Lord Ravel also arranged several meetings between the Congress and the Muslim League to bring them together. However, he couldn't do so. The political polarization between the Congress and the Muslim League became more apparent in 1946. During the election to the provincial legislatures, the Congress won all the seats in the general category, while the League won the seats reserved for Muslims with huge majority. After the elections, a cabinet mission arrived in 1946 to bridge the gap between the two parties. However, it too failed to bring a compromise on a federal system of government with a degree of autonomy to the provinces. Subsequently, Jinnah announced 16th August 1946 as Direct Action Day to press the demand of Pakistan. When 16th August arrived, bloody riot broke out in Kolkata, which spread to rural Bengal and then to Bihar. After that, the riot spread across the United Provinces and Punjab. Both the Hindus and the Muslims suffered heavy casualties. In February 1947, Lord Mountbatten replaced Lord Bevell as the Viceroy. Mountbatten made one last attempt to achieve a compromise to a round of talks. When he failed, he announced the British would free India with the creation of a separate country of Pakistan. The formal transfer of power was fixed on the 15th of August 1947.